Hey guys, welcome to my channel. You're here with Jamaican Kim. So today we'll be doing a makeup challenge. Latanya will be putting on my makeup.
Yes.
So I hope you guys enjoy. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, turn on your post notification and leave me a comment. Stay tuned. These are the products that we'll be using today. You guys know I'm not really much of a makeup kind of girl, so I don't have a lot of makeup. So these are the products that we'll be using: face powder, a little what you call this? Eyeshadow, lipstick, and whatever. I don't know what kind of style she'll be doing. So let's jump on into the video and see what it's all about.
Guys, I'm going to use this first. Now I'm going to begin eyeshadow.
She's gonna use the eyeshadow next, guys. So she just put on the face powder. So now she says she's going to use the eyeshadow.
How can you open this? So guys, next I'm going to do a eyeshadow, and I'm going to do this to blend it out. So let's do it.
Jesus Christ, we're not the father they call me. So guys, I got saved by the bell. I just received a call, so she had to pause. Alright, so we're gonna continue. She's gonna do my eyebrow now. I'm not even laugh. I'm not even laugh, Kamita. I'm not even laugh. Really. Alright guys, so we have to change direction because the light went out. So we're actually on our side veranda. So she's gonna finish the makeup. So she did one eyebrow and she's gonna do the other one. Alright, so
Next, I'm going to do the eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to do the eyeshadow. But I'm not going to take it up yet.
So she said she's gonna do my eyeshadow next, guys. Pray for me.
Guys, this is eyeshadow, so I'm going to use this one. So guys, remember you need to barely take a tip because you don't want it to go in your eyes. It looks very good.
Why is it looking like that? That's not even from my eyelid, girl.
I don't want it to catch on your...
Guys, I am so nervous. You never wipe it off? You should have wiped it off. Jesus Christ. What? What the hell? Oh my god. Why is I looking like this, girl?
I want to do a point.
I am so nervous. So guys, I'm back inside my room. The light went out, but it's back, so I just came inside my room. So this is what the makeup is looking like so far. This is what it's looking like. So she's still doing my eyeshadow.
Yep.
So guys, I don't know how this is gonna turn out.
Just keep still. Wow.
Guys, look at my eyes, guys. Oh my god. I mean, like right here is kind of cool, but I mean, she did the eyebrow kind of nice. The eyebrow can go on, but the eyeshadow is too much. The eyeshadow, look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this.
You look so good.
The eyeshadow is too much. Okay? The eyeshadow is too much. Plus my lips. Check the lips.
You should check. You should.
Oh my god.
Behave in yourself. Guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification. I hope you like my mommy doing my makeup. Yes. Look at her. She's beautiful, right?
No.
Please make me do your makeup too.
Run! Run! Oh my god. Guys. Well, I don't know what to say. I do not know what to say. This is too much. And I'm gonna wash my face now. I'm gonna wash all of this off and I'm gonna just soak my face in some warm water or something. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment. Please subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Make sure your notification is turned on, and yeah, hit the thumbs up. I'll catch you in another video. Stop now. I'll catch you in another video. Bye.
Guys, you see this time?
Bye.